This is a question of Clausius equation. The cell expression is given like this, and question is we have to find out the cell element. And the standard reduction potential for tin electrode, that is SN electrode, is available in electrochemical series, and also standard electrode potential of hydrogen electrode is taken as 0 volt. Now we have to find the cell element. This is the middle position of cell representation. This denotes the salt bridge in a galvanic cell. This is the salt bridge which may contain some electrolytes and that connect two half cells. The left hand side of the cell expression represents oxidation half cell. So oxidation occurs here, and this is the SN electrode, and this SN plus 2 means an electrolyte of SN plus 2 is taken here. I may take stannous chloride, and its concentration is 0.05 molar. The concentration of this electrolytic solution. Next, right of the salt bridge, there is H plus. This means H plus is converted to H. That means there is the reduction. So H plus means HCl solution, and its concentration is 0.02 molar. 0.02 molar. And H2 means H plus is converting to H2 and it's given out, and the atmospheric pressure maintained here is 1 atm. As we know, the hydrogen electrode is the standard hydrogen electrode, and this is the representation of hydrogen electrode. This is the platinum wire. As we cannot directly connect the hydrogen gas through any wire, we use the dummy representation of platinum wire for hydrogen electrode. This is the platinum coil, and this contains this is immersed inside HCl solution. Now we have to find out E0 of cell, standard cell potential. Standard potential means E cathode, reduction potential of cathode, that is what? That is H plus by H2 minus reduction potential of anode, that is E. This is the 0 for standard condition. Sn plus 2 by Sn, and this comes out how much? That is equal to minus 0.0 volt minus 0.14, and that comes out plus 0.14 volt. Now we have to find E cell. E cell equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591 by 2 log Kc. Log Kc. Now we have to find Kc, and this is the N, that is also not known to us. We have to find N and Kc, and we will apply so that we may find E cell. Now for Kc, we have to write oxidation half reaction. Sn atom loses 2 electron and are converted to Sn plus 2. Similarly, for reduction reaction, H plus ion takes up electron and are converted to H. If we will apply 2, then this is H2. So the number of electron transaction comes from 2. So value of N will be 2. That is equal to E0 cell 0.14 minus 0.0591 by 2 log Kc. That is equal to 0.14 minus 0.02 to the 41929 18 1125 0.0295 log Kc. Now we will find Kc. So Kc equal to, for Kc we have to write overall reaction, we have to add this reaction and this reaction. So Sn minus 2e gives rise to Sn plus 2. On adding we will get Sn plus 2H plus gives rise to H2 plus Sn plus 2. Now Kc comes out how much? Sn plus 2, these are the pure states, so can be taken as 1. Sn plus 2 concentration divided by H plus concentration, as there is coefficient 2, so this is square. That is equal to Sn plus 2 concentration 0.05 divided by how much? 0.02. That comes out 5 by 2. That is equal to 2.5. Now we will find 0.14 value of E cell equal to 0.0295 into log 2.5. Sorry, we have to make this is 0.02 whole square, as there is a square, so that comes out 0.05 divided by 0.0004, and that comes out to be 500 divided by 4. That is equal to 4 1 ja 4, 3 1 10, 4 2 ja 8, 24 5 ja 28, 125. The value of Kc, that is equal to 1.25 into 10 to the power 2. Now we will put the value of Kc here. That will come out log 1.25 into 10 to the power 2. So E cell comes out, E cell that is equal to E cell equal 0.14 minus 0.0295 into log of 10 to the power 2 plus log of 1.25. That is equal to 0.14 minus 0.295 into log 2, means we can take 2 here, so that is 2 plus log 1.2 value equal to 0.097. So by adding I can get 0.14 minus 0.295 into 2.097, and the final result comes out 0.08 volt. This is the final answer, that is the EMF of the cell.